Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to use PayPal Credit without a card in 2025. If you're someone who hates carrying physical cards or just wants a seamless digital experience, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, PayPal Credit is like a flexible credit line that lets you buy now and pay later for your online purchases. The great news for 2025 is that PayPal has rolled out even more advanced features, making it easier to use without needing a physical card. All you need is the PayPal app on your smartphone. Step 1. Make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't, download the app from your app store and sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, head to the Wallet section. Step 2. Apply for PayPal Credit right in the app. You'll be prompted to enter some basic info like your income and bank details for verification. In 2025, this process is faster with enhanced AI, and you won't need to wait for a physical card to arrive. Step 3. After approval, link your PayPal Credit to your bank account or debit card. This allows you to make payments directly from your digital wallet. For example, when shopping online, select PayPal as your payment method, choose the credit option, and complete the transaction without ever pulling out a card. One cool feature in 2025 is the virtual card option. Go to Settings in the app, generate a one-time virtual card number, and use it for secure purchases on sites that don't directly support PayPal. Remember, always monitor your account for security. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. Using PayPal Credit this way offers perks like no interest if paid off quickly, rewards points, and easy budgeting. But be cautious. Only borrow what you can afford to avoid fees. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll be using PayPal Credit hassle-free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.